Hi everyone, so I got these big bubblegum beads. They are 20mm beads from BeeBeeCraft. And then I got this beautiful little case that came with rhinestone spacers in different sizes. There's 3 sizes in gold and 3 sizes in silver. So today we are going to be making some Pokie tools. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use what they sent. Like, look at this really cute little rainbow that came in here as well. I really love that you get like a mix of colors here. So I think I'm gonna do purple. Let's start with purple. And then here is my glue I'm going to use today. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do all purple. And I'm getting the glue all the way to almost the top of the eye. And then, you know what? I think I'm gonna start with the spacer. So I'm taking the largest silver spacer. And I'm just going to work that towards the top. Right there. Add a little bit more glue because the spacer just takes some of the glue with it. Then I'm going to throw on a purple bead. Tiny bit more glue here. Just going to work it on the Pokie tool and just kind of spread it out nicely. Then I'm going to put my spacer and just kind of let that slide on down. Put a little bit more glue here. Put another purple. Let that slide on down. Put some more glue here. Then I'm twirling the Pokie tool in my fingers as I'm putting the glue on because I want to make sure that it gets all the way around my needle. And then I'm going to go ahead and drop down another spacer. That one's kind of stiff, so let's try another one. There we go. Bring that one down. Add some more glue here. I think I'm going to do just 3 of them. And then I'll turn it around and see how that looks. But I think 3 should be good. Because then with these it can get a little bit heavy. So you don't want to put too much. Make it too heavy for your hand. Then I'm going to put on... Oh, that's the one that was too tight. Put another spacer here. Bring that on down. I think that looks good. Just the way it is like that with just the 3. So what I do is I usually have like a little jar or something nearby. And then I'll go ahead and I'll put them in here upside down. That way it'll go ahead and dry and I don't have to worry about them sliding. Because if you were to put it this way, with the glue still being wet, they could move and slide around. So if you just hang it upside down, gravity will just help keep everything in place. So I'm going to put that right here in my little jar. I'm going to put that over to the side right here. Then we're going to work on our next one, which I think I want to do maybe like yellow and clear. I think I'll do that one. So we're going to do the same thing, put some glue. Then go ahead and bring my spacer. And then we're going to do the same thing, add more glue. And then once this is all dry is when I would go ahead and add a jump ring to the eye of the needle. I would put a jump ring and then add some chain with some more beads. But I'm going to wait until everything's all dry. For these two, they have a large hole. There's a really large hole to these. So these would be good for beadable pins also. Because it has a large hole, I'm going to put a little bit of extra glue just right here down at the base. So it could kind of just, you know, fall down the needle into the bead. Just to kind of help make sure it's all nice and snug in there. Because I don't want these to fall off or move around after I have them all glued, and they should be dry. So we're going to add some more glue here. Put our next spacer. And I think I'm going to do a white one. If you have beadable pins, these would be great for that too. I should have brought some with me. I think I only have a green one, so we could do a green beadable pin. Let's see. Put the white one there. Get that glue. Make sure you put that glue in between each bead and each beadable. Each bead and each spacer, because you want to make sure that it stays all nice and glued together. Then we're going to do our yellow one. These look really great on chunky charms as well. If you like making chunky charms, it'd be really good for that. If you like doing beadable pins, Pokie tools, they're great because they do fit. So that's really, really nice. Then we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to stop at 3 because I don't want to make it too heavy. And then there is our Pokie tool. These are coming out really, really cute. So they're too big for my cup here. Let's see if I can put it that way. Okay, I'm going to put that aside, and I do have a beadable pin here that we can use. So let's put one of our big ones. I wonder if these rhinestones will fit. These are from BeeBeeCraft as well. So I'll leave everything linked down below. I'll link their website. I'll link these products. And I'll leave my coupon code, Nicole 10, which will save you guys 10%. These spacers don't fit. I'll have to use a different one. But we could do like a clear. Let's see, these are too large. Let's do. That's a good thing is you could just take them off and try a different version. Okay, these are too big. You would barely be able to get the cap on. And I just like mine a little bit more snug and secure. See, that's going to fall off. So you would be able to get 2 on, and then you would have to play around with other side beads. Or if you have spacers, that would add a little bit to it as well. That might fit. No, that's not going to stay on tight either. Okay, well, they work great for Pokie tools, and if you have a variety of different size beads, they would fit great for beadable pins as well, because they do fit on that. So that's going to be our little video for right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.